A recent report from the Auditor General has found BC's air ambulance service could do more to improve timely patient care, and a local family is fighting to do something about it.
It took 4 hours to transport Jackie and Yali to hospital in Mackenzie after a collision near Bear Lake, but by the time the doctor saw her, they couldn't save her life.
It took too long. Plain and simple, it took too long.
That was in November of 2009. For her foster parents, Brian and Doreen Spence, it could have been yesterday.
I think I was on the phone when the knock happened and Brian came tearing to the bedroom. His face was just chalk white, and he said, "The RCMP are here. I think you need to come."
I kind of knew something couldn't be right, but I didn't know what to do. And I didn't want to hear anything.
The injuries she sustained, a broken arm and a punctured lung, weren't deadly, but the wait time might have been.
She had her accident around 20 after 1 in the afternoon, and by the reports that we got, they got her to Mackenzie around 6 o'clock. So 4 or 5 hours. And she was only an hour away.
Brian is now on the board of Heroes, an initiative to bring an air ambulance to the north in the hopes of shortening a response time that could make the difference between life and death.
But up here, so there's a fatality rate of 12% if you're hurt in the Lower Mainland, and it exceeds 75% up here in the same accident. So yeah, some people are dying needlessly up here. We want the same level of service as they have in the provinces beside us, as they have for the Lower Mainland and the Okanagan, and we need it, I think, more than anyone.
Heroes needs to raise between $3 and $5 million to get the project off the ground. It could be up and running by next year. In the meantime, the Spences are left with memories of the woman they helped raise for years. They aren't content to just remember her. They want to fight for her.
I know she would fight for it. I know she would.
Kelly Linehan, CKPG News.